Okay, so here is the easiest way on how you can play Fortnite with a controller or specifically a PS5 controller on your PC. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So as you guys know that Fortnite can only be played through Epic Games. If you got Epic Games, you can directly play it and just need to download Epic Games Launcher. And one good thing about Epic Games Launcher and it's specifically Fortnite is that it's fully controller supported. So what you can do is just simply load up Fortnite and open it up and just grab your PS5 controller and then connect it simply to your PC. Once you connect it up, it will automatically detect your controller. You don't need to do any settings or anything. It will automatically detect your controller, your PS5 controller, and once you go inside a game or anything, it will just, once you move the controller, it will just, move it like you want to. So it's pretty simple and straightforward. You just need to connect your controller with a wire, or if you got an adapter for like wireless, so you can just do that, and it's pretty straightforward after that. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.